Welcome to Where to Go with Mexican. Today we are at Sun and Fun, one of the biggest fly expos in the world. I'm not kidding, in the world. We just got here, there's cars from everywhere. So let's go and enjoy the show. Here we are with Nena Landa. Back there you can see Mr. Risa, he's hiding somewhere. There he is. Alright guys, follow us. Here we are looking at some airplanes. This is from Mission Aviation. This is our first year here, so we're gonna find out what Mission Aviation is all about. This is all about airplanes. They must have hundreds and hundreds of airplanes here. People fly from all over the world to get here. They park their airplanes here. They camp here. This is in Lakeland, Florida. Guys, after this, they have a show every day for a whole week. This was from April 2nd till April 7th. So we're gonna go into Mission Aviation right now and show you and teach you what they're all about. All right, guys. We're just walking around looking at the airplanes. Very cool. And after looking at the airplanes here that they have for sale, like this one back here, which is for water landing. But anyway, I'm gonna show you around. Let's see. Follow me, guys. We're gonna have a lot of fun. This is amazing. Here at the Sun and Fun show. Here we are having fun. It's been a really good show. Air show back here. Airport. Lakeland Airport, big airport. They have airplanes, helicopters, airplanes from all over the world. A really awesome show. Thank you for watching another show of Where to Go with Mexican.